Good day. In this video, we are going to discuss about area of polygon with N vertices. The concept of matrices and determinants can be used to determine the area of a polygon with N vertices. The area of a polygon with vertices x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3, up to x sub n to y sub n, listed in counterclockwise direction is denoted by A is equal to 1 half of the matrix x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3, up to x sub n, y sub n, and to be enclosed by x sub 1, y sub 1. This is equivalent to A is equal to 1 half multiplied by x sub 1, y sub 2, plus x sub 2, y sub 3, up to x sub n multiplied by y sub 1, minus x sub 2, y sub 1, plus x sub 3, y sub 2, up to x sub 1 multiplied by y sub n. It is to be noted that the vertices should be arranged in counterclockwise direction in order for us to have a positive result. So this formula is to be used in determining the area of a polygon with n vertices. And let us have examples for this topic. Determine the area of a polygon with vertices I, 2, and 4, n, negative 4 and 1, and k, 0 and 8. So as you can see in this figure, these vertices are not arranged in counterclockwise direction. So we may take I, k, and n as our arrangement for the vertices. So let us have the formula and apply it to determine the area of a polygon with vertices I and k. So A is equal to 1 half. Let us take this one, 2 and 4. This is 0 and 8. This is negative 4 and negative and 1. And we'll go back to 2 and 4. So let us now compute 1 half multiplied by 2 times 8 is 16. 0 times 1 is 0. And then negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Minus 4 times 0 is 0. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. And then 1 times 2 is positive 2. Let us continue. 1 half multiplied by, this is 0. 16 minus 16 is 0. And then this one is negative 32 plus 2 is negative 30. And since this is subtraction, so negative 30, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So this will be plus 30. And now the value would be 1 half of 30, which is A, or the area, is equal to 15 square units. So you may say that the area of the triangle with vertices I, N, and K is 15 square units. So we may ask, sir, why is it always 1 half? Because this formula is derived in the formula of the area of a triangle, in which we could say that we can determine the area of a certain polygon by dividing the polygon into the triangles. So let us have an example 2. Determine the area of a polygon with vertices C, 10 and 6, A, 6, negative 2, M, 0 and 8, E, negative 8 and 4, and L, negative 4 and negative 4. So let us look at this vertices, whether it is arranged in counterclockwise directions or not. So if we're going to follow CAM, then we will not be able to have a counterclockwise direction. So what we're going to do is to follow C, M, E, L, and A. Thus, let us apply this in our formula. A is equal to 1/2, 10, 6, 0 and 8, negative 8 and 4, negative 4 and 4, and then 6, negative 2, and then we have to go back again to 10 and 6. Okay, so this is now equal to 1/2 of 10 times 8, that is 80, 0 times 4 is 0, negative 8 times negative 4, that is 32, negative 4 and negative 2, positive 8, and then 6 times 6, that's 36. Then, followed by minus. This is 0. 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. 4 times 4 is negative 16. And then, negative 4 times 6, that is negative 24. And then this is negative 20. Okay, so let's continue. 1/2 of 80 plus 32 is 112, plus 8, 120, plus 36, that is 156. Minus, this is negative 64, minus 16, that is negative 80, minus 24, negative 104, and then minus 20, that is negative 124. So, negative 124, this is subtraction, so that would be 124. Equals 1/2 of 280. So what is 1/2 of 180? That is 140. Therefore, we may say that the area of a polygon with vertices C, A, M, E, and L is 140 square units.